how to add categories on Weebly. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can add categories on Weebly. So firstly, open up the Weebly dashboard, and then once you guys are over here on the dashboard, now from over here click on the left side on website, and then below that click on items, and then from over here you guys can click on site categories. Now once you guys click on site categories, that's gonna take you over to another page. So once you guys go over to another page, then it's gonna show you all the different categories that you guys can add your site to. So I'm gonna click on add category, and then from over here you guys can basically put in a name for your category, and then you will be able to also add in items, also add in a category image, and also set the availability as well. You can even do the search engine optimization as well. So once you guys have done that, that's going to basically enable you to add your website to categories. So guys, that is how you can add sites to categories on Weebly. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.